this video I'm going to share you how you can sell your digital product. But if you don't have digital product, don't worry, I will share you the drive link, digital product, banner, everything like a landing page code. I will everything share with you, and how you can get traffic by using this landing page, also using paid, not paid method. It's actually completely free method. And this landing page I will give you if you need just a simple WhatsApp number from by your set. Others, all thing is completely free. I will provide you everything free, every direct link and landing page code, everything. So guys, the main concept is this. Today video is free traffic using, okay, we will sell digital product and we will earn from Adsterra by using blog. So the blogger is very important. You know what, if you know how to actually use free resource to earn money, that's actually important. So for using this landing page, you need this banner, but don't worry, in the code section, like this code, I have already attached the image link, so you don't need to make this post from begin. Everything I just completed. You just see what actually I'm doing and just do it as I am sharing. So the next thing is, if you must have a Adsterra account and you have a Blogger account. So let's start. First you have to make a blog. If you have a blog, don't worry, you can use a new post. But if you don't have a blog, you have to make a new blog like this. So if you don't have a blog, you just make a blog site for you using a name, any name you can use that's relevant to your site. Like I'm using digital product sell, which is very relevant to my digital product selling program services. So like you need to now give a URL link, which is very simple. Use or by your own idea. Don't worry about anything. So just make the link and save it. Now if you already have a blog post, you can start from here. If you don't have, I already said it, just make a new blog. Now click on post. Say there is no post in here, just click on the new post and just copy my landing page code, which is already I have made for you guys. I already use that landing page also. So you just need to copy the whole landing page from here. Well, I will share it in a doc. Don't worry. So just change the WhatsApp number in here, because it's my WhatsApp. Like I'm using my WhatsApp number as an example, but you have to use your own WhatsApp number in here. So just paste the landing page code in here in the HTML mode. Okay, don't compose mode. Okay, and give a title in here. Just publish it. Your landing page is completely ready, and you will see the result within a second. Just view the landing page. You can see your landing page is already completed. So that's it. Your first things is done. So if you're still not doing this, well, just stop my video, do, and then come again and watch the next part. Now let's go to the next part. This is the actually my website, but this website don't have any ad code, like how to monetize it. So for that you need to copy the link from here and just click on the add website button and paste your link in here, your blog link in here, and just you need now 3 ad code. First one is pop under, second one social bar, and third one native banner. So you have to make it one by one. You cannot make all 3 code at same time, so that's why you have to make it one by one. Just wait some time, and actually it will just after 1 or 2 minutes your code will be completely ready. So see, this now is pending, but don't worry, it will take only 1 to 2 minutes and your code will appear in here. So if you don't understanding this, just do as I am doing. It's complete. That code is already generated. So now I have to add another 2 codes in here. Like already I pop under already generated, and social bar is I'm now creating like myself, like I'm doing. I have to do the same thing in here. That's it. So guys, if you are unaware of it, don't worry, just do as I'm doing. Just completely safe. It's completely safe method. And if you have a good traffic source, like if you have social media, you can use this method, that your website ad code is almost ready. So there is 2 code is already ready. Now I'm going to create another code, which is native banner code, and just click on create. And after that you have to wait some 1 or 2 minutes to get the codes from here. So just wait in here. So guys, you know what, sometimes it takes time to understand things, but when you understand, you just follow that. So wait, and wait and see what actually I'm going to do. So now I have already created 3 ad code in here. Now click on get code, and this website already have had so ad code. So just copy this and go to the theme section. Okay, now I am doing, this is the third part. uh, this is the third part is because ad setup, this is called ad setup. So I'm pasting my ad code in the head section, and another 2 codes I have to paste in the body section. So don't worry, you can just copy and post anywhere in the body. Okay, but native banner, I think is way better if you paste it in the very last of the page. Don't worry. So see, just copy this and come to here. You cannot find the body tag in here easily because it's so many code in here. So you can just control F and use the body word. But the very simple method is just go to the last page, last section of the code. That's it, and paste the body code in here. Like paste the body code in here, and you have to paste another things. You have to paste another code in here, which is native banner. So native banner code always must be pasted in the very last section of the HTML code, and paste it in, and just click on the save button. Your ad setup is completely done. You don't have to worry about anything. So you don't have to now impression. Your ad stress setup is done. Your landing page is completely done. So now you have to do check that your ad is working or not. If your ad is not still working, you have to do the same things repeatedly again. So just see that if I refresh this is, just see the ad is now perfectly working. My website is just now monetized. Now I need traffic to sell my product, and I need traffic to exchange. So where you can get this? That's actually very simple to you find. If you know the method, don't worry, I'll share this method. Just paste your link in here and get a URL shortener from here. And if you have a Facebook account, Facebook page, just go to Facebook page and search for Microsoft Office. And whoever new person in using learning Microsoft Office, they actually need this type of file. Like this is a template, and this template is very useful for them. So you can directly sell from this page, sell by this product, sell this product by Facebook from here. Okay, now what I actually consider is pasting the link in the comment section, pasting the link in the post, pasting the link in the any people, so many people run ad. And you can, if you found this relevant, that if someone buying graphics, uh, maybe he could buy. So you can comment in the ad section, like comment in the ad post, that if you want a very cheap price, you can buy from also, and your post will not be blocked. See, just click on post, and your post will be live within a minute. So guys, as you can see, my Facebook page is completely done and everything is completely safe. And now you have to do another thing, just check that your website is working or not. So I just click on the link, this ad code is showing perfectly, and this is working very good. Now see, I have to do free marketing for my website. Otherwise, you know what, free marketing is very important, because sometimes you will not get traffic in your website very easily. It takes time. It takes time to build a organic fan base. But and click on submit, login in here, and just click on traffic exchange. Okay, there's so many options in here, don't worry, just click on traffic exchange and add a site in here, my website page. I just click on this here. So just click, just copy your link from here and paste it in here, and just click on add page. That's it. Now see, this website is actually, you don't have to click on something. This website automatically load ad, and you get credit and you get traffic. See, you don't have to click on any ads. You will get traffic easily by just click the auto serving mode, and this serving will run automatically. So you just open this and do your another task. Your traffic will come automatically. So I have just shared you two marketing method, which is you can sell your product, okay, and and another thing is you can get traffic exchange. You can use traffic exchange to get traffic. That's it, guys. So I hope it will be very helpful for you. If you think that is a very good way, you just don't forget to subscribe me, guys, and comment and like if you think that it's actually working for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I'll come back to you with new ideas, with new method, and I'll share all the things, all the drive links, all the code with you in the comment section. You can use this and make same as I'm doing. Like this is my master plan. I just shared with you. So you just use this and thank you guys for watching this video. Bye. See you in the next time.